The World Bank approved a dash program to help in boosting India's MSME sector in June. The correct answer is B, that is $500 million. So the World Bank has approved a $500 million program to help boost India's MSME sector. And the program targets improvement in the performance of 5,50,000 MSMEs out of some 58 million MSMEs in the country. An American instant messaging app WICKR was acquired by dash. The correct answer is D, that is Amazon. So Amazon bought encrypted messaging app WICKR, and not because it's eager to observe the app's user base of journalists, activists and drug dealers. Amazon sees an opportunity to make inroads with WICKR's other key constituency, government agencies and the military. LIC Card Service launched a prepaid gift card in collaboration with IDBI Bank in June. What is the name of the card? The correct answer is A, that is Shagun. So, to make gifting a more personal and enriching experience, LIC Card Service Limited has launched a contactless prepaid gift card Shagun in collaboration with IDBI Bank on RuPay platform. CBSE, that is Central Board of Secondary Education, collaborated with dash to introduce coding as a new subject for students of class 6th to 8th. The correct answer is C, that is Microsoft. The Central Board of Secondary Education, that is CBSE, in collaboration with Microsoft to introduce coding as a subject for students for class 6th to 8th, and data science curriculum for class 8 to 12 as new skilling subject in the 2021-22 academic session. Digital Skill Champions program was launched by NSDC, that is National Skill Development Corporation, with dash. So the correct answer is D, that is WhatsApp. So NSDC and WhatsApp launched Digital Skill Champions program, and the aim of this program is to train India's youth on digital skills in order to make them employment ready. Which of the following state governments launched Ma Canteen for providing subsidized cooked meal for the poor people? The correct answer is B, that is West Bengal. So, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee launched Ma Canteen for providing subsidized cooked meal for the poor and the destitute at a nominal cost of ₹5. Who won the Lokmanya Tilak National Award for 2021? The correct answer is B, that is Cyrus Poonawalla. Cyrus Poonawalla, chairman of Serum Institute of India, that is SII, and he was honored with the prestigious Lokmanya Tilak Award 2021. What is the rank of India in IMD's World Competitiveness Index 2021? The correct answer is D, that is 43rd. So, India held the 43rd rank on the Institute for Management Development, that is IMD. Annual World Competitiveness Index 2021. Who won the French Grand Prix 2021? The correct answer is D, that is Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen won the race for Red Bull Racing, beginning a streak of 3 consecutive wins for Verstappen and forming the third of 5 consecutive wins for Red Bull. Which of the following is the least peaceful country in the world as per the Global Peace Index 2021? The correct answer is E, that is Afghanistan. So, the 2021 GPI indicates Iceland, New Zealand, Denmark, Portugal and Slovenia to be the most peaceful country, and Afghanistan, Yemen, Syria, South Sudan and Iraq to be the least peaceful countries. Which of the following is the first state in the country to be rabies free? The correct answer is Goa. So there were no fresh case of rabies in human has since been recorded, and making Goa the first in the country to declare a rabies controlled state. It is on its way to becoming the country's first rabies free state. G7 summit was held from 11th to 13th June 2021 in Cornwall, UK. It was the dash edition of this summit. The correct answer is A, that is 47th. Cornwall was hosted the G7 summit in the first meeting of world leaders since the start of the coronavirus pandemic. A new scheme, Ashirwad, for the education, health and maintenance of COVID orphans was launched by dash. The correct answer is D, that is Naveen Patnaik. So the Chief Minister announced rupees 2500 per month will be deposited in the bank of family member who have taken responsibility of the children after death of their parents, and the assistance will continue till 18 years of the child or till such a date if somebody adopts him. Who is the current Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh? The correct answer is D, that is Radhakrishna Mathur. Who is the present chairman of NHRC, that is National Human Rights Commission? The correct answer is C, that is Arun Kumar Mishra. The National Human Rights Commission, that is NHRC of India, is a statutory public body constituted on 12th October 1993 under the Protection of Human Rights Ordinance of 28th September 1993. What is the rank of India in Global Startup Ecosystem Index 2021? The correct answer is D, that is 20th. Who laid the foundation stone for Ambedkar Memorial and Cultural Center in Lucknow? The correct answer is B, that is Ramnath Kovind. So President Ramnath Kovind laid the foundation stone for Ambedkar Memorial and Cultural Center in Lucknow, and this cultural center will come up at 5493.52 square meter. World's tallest sandcastle constructed in which of the following countries? The correct answer is C, that is Denmark. The European country of Denmark is now the home to the world's tallest sandcastle situated in the stunning small seaside town of Blokhus. This sandcastle has made it to the Guinness World Record. The Sparsh system was implemented by which of the following ministries? The correct answer is E, that is Ministry of Defence. So the Defence Accounts Department has been the nodal implementing agency for project Sparsh, which is investigate on a whole of the government approach and carefully integrates over 3000 pension initiating, sanctioning and disbursement agencies and bring pension service right at the doorstep of the veterans. Nitin Gadkari inaugurated India's first private LNG facility plant in which of the following cities? The correct answer is D, that is Nagpur. So, India's 104-year-old Ayurvedic brand Baidyanath Group has launched the country's first private liquefied natural gas, that is LNG station in Nagpur. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.